Ah! Oh, I can't. You reach there, my stop.
I'm getting it on video.
Okay, great. Can you just hurry up and get on video? Ah! Can you just hurry up? It was?
Yeah. It's full was hooked on your sweater.
I got the video working.
Yeah. Birds. All that. Okay, take another video. Wow! Whoa! I'm used to birds like this. But I want to eat. Not try to eat.
Your mother's gonna freak.
Oh.
Avery, they're on your foot.
No!
And her lap.
Okay, everyone, take a video.
Just stand up, honey.
Bunny rat, Ryan. Whoa. Whoa.
The big brave one way over here.
Take.
Won't even hold the bread. Here at Riverside Park, November 10th, 2011.
Why do they like me so much?
The bird's getting ready to migrate south for the winter. They stop at Riverside Park for a bite to eat and a little bit of Avery.